Zhangjiagang is located in the core urban cluster of the Yangtze River Delta. It is connected to the sea and 3 railways. It is adjacent to Pudong International Airport in the east and Shanghai and Ningbo, 2 world-class container ports, in the south. With convenient transportation and logistics, well-developed financial services, and a complete industrial chain, it is an important cluster of advanced manufacturing in China.
Established in 2008, Zhangjiagang King Machine Packaging Machinery Ibu Shatkiao Yangtze Litauda is a technology-based enterprise integrating R&D, manufacturing, sales, and service. The company focuses on the R&D and production of complete liquid packaging lines, covering multiple fields such as bottled water, carbonated beverages, juice, dairy products, and edible oils. Its main products include blow molding machines, filling machines, labeling machines, packaging machines, and intelligent solutions for complete production lines. The company currently has 150 employees, including 15 R&D personnel, and is equipped with modern machining centers and precision testing equipment. King Machine adheres to the principle of technology-led, quality-based, comprehensively implementing a quality management system and a sound after-sales service mechanism, and continuously promoting the precision, intelligence, and completeness of its products. Years of technological accumulation and process advantages have allowed the company to carve out its own niche in the industry. Currently, it has successfully delivered thousands of liquid packaging production lines, and its products are exported to more than 100 countries and regions worldwide with a customer repurchase rate as high as 75%. The company has established pilot projects in multiple countries and regions and has built long-term cooperative relationships with globally renowned companies such as Coca-Cola and PepsiCo. Growing through hard work and surpassing limits through innovation, King Machine has a promising future thanks to the favorable business environment and strong government support in Zhangjiagang City. The company will continue to increase investment in innovation, enhance its global service capabilities, and build a globally competitive, intelligent packaging equipment brand, contributing to the high-quality development of the regional economy.